In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting your OST file to MBOX format using the Recovery Tools OST Converter software. To install our OST to MBOX converter, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button.
Here, users will see Convert Configured Outlook Mailbox Data option to automatically load Outlook. And let me select my Outlook Mailbox Data option if users have any particular OST files or folder they want to load. Users can choose either one of the available options. This box will display the path of the selected folder. Use Recovery Mode is a feature within the software that helps recover or repair corrupted or damaged PST or OST files. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next.
Select Saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select MBOX option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the conversion will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully converted OST files. Click OK and open the destination folder to access the newly converted files. Let's take a look at advanced filter options of our tool. Here, user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.